everyone, welcome to or welcome back to the Jess channel. Today I'm going to be writing a pen pal, which is Sammy. Sammy, if you are watching this, you may want to click off if you don't want to get some little surprises ruined for you. But if you want to keep watching, you can. Today, this letter is going to be holiday themed and I am so excited for it. Keep watching. Here I am writing out a little list of some fun Christmas activities. I always love including little lists, playlist, different this or that's in my letters because it just makes it really interactive and really fun for your pen pal to write you back. It gives some ideas of just what to talk about, and it's really fun for me to write as well, to come up with the ideas and to just send some fun little gifts. This is one of my favorite parts. I love doing wax seals. I've always loved it. The only thing I kind of struggle with is that I don't have a little place to set my spoon, so I kind of just use a lighter, probably a waste, but one day, hopefully, I will get a spot to melt my wax. But it's just so satisfying to press the wax and then to take the little seal off and see what is underneath. So cute. I love it. And guys, that is all for this pen pal video. I know it was a bit short, but I just wanted to share it with you guys to give some inspiration. If you would ever like to find a pen pal or would like to be mine, I do have a P.O. box. Here's my address if you would like to write to me, and I would be so excited to receive a letter from you. Be the reason someone smiles today. Bye guys.